So what do we like about Flintoclass at Home? It is thematic based, it is phonemic awareness, it is play based learning with all the activities that you require within the box. You literally have to pick up the day that you require, and you can log on to your session. Your session tells you exactly which page numbers you would require to be using for that activity or for that day. So I go through the recorded sessions, I see what's in store for the day, and I prepare everything and keep it ready. What I really like is the time period within the activity and after the activity for cleanup, which allows the child to play and learn without getting overwhelmed. And this is one step ahead of them developing the skill of being self-dependent. You have your circle time, interactive time, and the activity for the day. That's the first activity, followed with a story time, and then the second activity, and ends with a recap, which is a fun way to see how everything just fits together. So yes, it is 45 minutes and it is an action-packed 45 minutes. Thanks to Flintoclass at Home, we are learning and having fun. So yes, I highly recommend Flintoclass at Home.